Okay, hello, welcome. This is me, Alice, and welcome to my first YouTube video. Yes, it's very exciting. I usually post my videos of my looks onto my Instagram, but if you are a user of Instagram and watcher of Instagram videos, you may know that there is no scrub bar on a video there. So you can't pause or go back. If you want to see something again, you gotta watch the whole video. So, I was thinking I'm just gonna make this one a little bit longer and do a little bit of a voiceover and then put it on YouTube. So anybody who's actually trying to follow the tutorial has an easier time. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I do is just rub a little bit of primer into the areas where I have larger pores, like my nose and cheek area, and I just blend that in with my fingers. Then I take my number 7 foundation that actually matches my skin tone, and on a damp beauty sponge, just pat that stuff gently all over my face. Then I apply my Huda Beauty, or Huda Beauty, I don't know, however you want to say it, foundation, which is far too light for me, but I apply it where I want a little bit of highlight and anywhere where I need more coverage, and I just use the same sponge and pat that one all over my face. Next is concealer, and I just conceal any under eye baggage I may have. Then I contour my cheeks and jaw with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. And then I'm adding a little bit of bronzer to warm my face up, and then some pink blush and a golden highlight. And I'm on to browns, which is always a bit nerve-wracking, but as you can see I'm filling them in and then brushing them out with a little spoolie. Here I am just trying to be cute with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the burnt orange and golden ochre shade on a big old Real Techniques fluffy style brush and blending that in as my transition shade. Next I take my Coastal Scents 252 palette and I take the top 2 red shades that I zoom in on and I pack them down quite saturated on my crease area and then blend it out with the burnt orange shade from the Modern Renaissance palette. After that I take 2 purples from my Coastal Scents palette as well, just another tray, and then I pack that onto the outer third of my lid. Now I'm going to cut the crease with just my concealer. I'm very pale so it works, and yeah, I just follow the kind of crease line that I have drawn out for myself already with the shadow, but I do draw it a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes and I want to be able to see my crease when I have my eyes open. That would be nice. Then I'm just taking a very shimmery, lighter shade of purple from my Coastal Scents palette as well. I'm just blending that with the outer third purple towards the center of my lid. Then I take this very light highlighter. It's basically white, but it has kind of purple, shimmery reflex in it, and I put that on the inner third of my lid. Now I'm just intensifying the red along my cut crease, and I'm also blending it down a little bit. As you can see from my facial expression, I'm thinking right here, my crease is a little bit too high on the eye that I've been working on to camera. Then I just take this single shadow called Alchemy, which has a pink base and blue reflex, and I just apply that with my finger over the purple shimmery shade from before to give it a little bit of extra something. I'm adding my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk just on my inner corner as a highlight. Next I'm going to use this Dazzle liner, which is kind of this iridescent white pink shade, and this is why I was not worried about blending my crease down earlier, because we're gonna put this over the edge of the crease and really make it look sharp. Then I just quickly add my transition shades from before along my lower lash line and then apply this purple eyeliner pencil on the outer section of my lower lash line and blend that out as well. Then I just add a wing with my black liquid eyeliner and also tightline my eyes with a black kohl pencil. And then we're finally near the end. At real time it's probably about 2 hours in. So we're just adding some mascara on our top and lower lashes and then adding some false eyelashes as well. Then you gotta take a little look at yourself in the viewfinder because you're feeling cute. And then you add this lip gloss, metallic lip gloss type thing. Very lightly, I kind of dab it onto my lips in this berry shade. And then that's it. You're done. Cue the music.